If you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings for the titles you're playing. Reducing settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can significantly improve frame rates. Step 2. Enable performance mode. Switch your Steam Deck to performance mode. You can do this by going to the settings menu, selecting the performance tab, and adjusting the power settings to prioritize performance over battery life. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software and driver updates. Go to the system settings, check for updates, and install any available updates to optimize performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources, allowing your games to run more smoothly without interruptions. Step 5. Use a cooling pad. Consider using a cooling pad to help maintain optimal temperatures for your Steam Deck. Overheating can lead to throttling, which may cause frame stuttering. Keeping the device cool can enhance performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Steam Deck's performance and a reduction in frame stuttering. Enjoy your gaming experience.